Good morning. Welcome to the today's class. Today we are going to discuss about soil evolves. Before that, just listen. What is pedology? Pedology is the branch of science that deals with soil. The scientists associated with this branch are called pedologists. Soil is a natural resource that you are very familiar with. How is soil formed? The soil we see today is formed prolonged process like weathering of rocks and decomposition of organic matter. It is estimated that more than 1,000 years is required for the formation of an inch thick layer of soil. What are the factors influencing soil formation? Climate, topography, plants and animals, parent rock, time. Different types of soil are formed due to variation in factors such as topography and climate. You have learned about the different type of soil in India and in Kerala from the previous classes. Just remember that. Our next topic is soil for sustenance. Without soil, there won't be any plants or animals. The case of man is not different. Soil is one of the important factors that makes life on the earth possible. You know that the green plants absorb nutrients from the soil and prepare food with the help of sunlight. Humans and other animals consume these plants. When plants and animals die, they return to the soil. Have a look around. What are the uses of soil? Do you see many agricultural activities? Is that the only use of soil? List out the uses of soil. For construction purposes, for cultivation, for making pots, bricks, tiles, etc., for mining minerals, for naturopathy treatment, for preparing medicines, for making cosmetics. Without soil, there won't be any plants or animals. The case of man is not different. Soil gets depleted due to various human activities such as deforestation, destruction of hills, and unscientific agricultural activities. You know that the roots of trees hold the soil like a net. Man is killing the soil by felling these trees and tilling the land for cultivating intensively without considering the environment. Observe your surroundings and prepare a note on soil and humans. Incorporating the following: non-degradable materials like plastic cause soil pollution. Overuse of chemical fertilizers that alter the structure of soil. Unscientific construction and quarrying. Use of agricultural land for non-agricultural purpose. Draining wastewater into soil on a large scale. Overgrazing. The concept that the good land provides food for all shows the necessity of soil conservation. It is the fertile topsoil that sustain life on earth. Indiscriminate use of land, destroyal of natural vegetation, etc., will lead to severe soil erosion, and as a result, millions of tons of top fertile soil is being washed away every year. Solid waste from towns make the earth unfit for any sort of use. Soil is the basic factor for the existence of all living beings, including man. So, it is our duty to conserve the precious soil at any cost. Soil is the basic factor that sustains life on earth.